video, I'm going to attempt a challenge. The challenge is to turn 10 grand into 100 grand. And how am I going to do that? I'm going to be buying coins in their phase E of Wyckoff, hoping to make quick gains on their initial pumps and then rotating them to new coins that are in their phase E of Wyckoff accumulation. So here's a Wyckoff schematic so you can kind of get the point that I'm talking about. A lot of these coins are in them, so I thought why not try to take advantage of this and try to buy them right when they're launching out of the Wyckoff accumulation, and then rotating those profits into other coins that are making the same pattern. And let's see if we can flip 10 grand into 100 grand in 30 days. Be cautious following anything I do in my videos. There's a good chance that I'll profit less than if I were to have just held a good coin. But I thought I'd give it a shot because there's a lot of coins in Wyckoff accumulation right now, breaking out of Wyckoff accumulation. It seems pretty easy to see on the charts. I've got some coins that I think are about to send, so I want to give it a shot. I want to start rotating, and we're going to see how it goes. As you can see on the screen right now, this is VeChain and Uniswap. These are two that just launched out of Wyckoff accumulation. You have accumulation range down here, you have your spring out of it, and then you have a back test of the value area high into support, and you can do that with your volume levels here. If we were to just take this range, you can see value area high, back test, and then go. Same thing with Uniswap here. Big accumulation range, breakout, back test, and go. And you can see Uniswap was a very quick back test. It did hold the value area high as resistance for quite some time, but as soon as you did tap it within this day, it just instantly shot up. Let's see, 62%. So what I'm going to be doing is trying to find coins that have this structure and buy them exactly here on that value area high of retest. And what is our first contender? That's going to be Polkadot. So if we take the volume profile of the bear market range, right, we'll just drag it all the way out. You can see we have broken out. We back tested value area, so not value area high, but very locally, you can see that on a daily time frame, we are now testing this value area high as support. This could really be your final back test before the epic rally on Polkadot. So for this challenge, instead of diversifying, we're just going to go full send on whatever looks good. So because Polkadot looks good, we're going to deploy the entire 10 grand into Polkadot, and we're going to ride it up until we get to a value area low of an older range. So that would be if we just took this here, you can see value area low is going to be right around 16, 15, right? So we're going to try to ride this thing 100%-ish, right? I'll probably be taking profits about right here. So that's what we're going to do. So yeah, I think this will be really fun to do. We'll track this throughout the month. I'll, keep you guys updated on what's going on here. Again, none of this is financial advice. If you're going to copy trade me, again, that's all on you. If this does end up working out, I think it'll just be a cool series to kind of look back on. So that's pretty much that. Since that was pretty quick and I got some time left, I'm going to add some more value to this video by going over some Bitcoin TA real quick, because might as well, not too much has been happening in the price, but I thought I might as well go over it since we are getting into that danger zone. I want to make sure everyone is staying safe out there and looking out for bad news on the charts. So jumping into Bitcoin here, we have made 3 poor lows at this point. So it doesn't look great for the chart, I'm not going to lie. You're holding 4-hour EMA as resistance. This is not what I wanted to see. I really wanted to see us take off after we got this sweep here. Right, we got a sweep, we went up, and then we kind of flipped the golden pocket into resistance, right? And now we're coming back down. I would assume this is going to sweep at least one more time. And I really hope it's quick, and if we could just get it over with. I want to see it just take everyone out of the market and then go. I do not want to see this thing start closing down here. So yeah, the Bitcoin chart honestly doesn't look the best right now. You can see it's looking a little drippy. We do have 3 daily lows that are at the same level. What does that tell you? If you looked at any of my trading videos, you would know that that means there's a lot of liquidity behind this, and they are poor lows, meaning they're probably going to get swept. So if we were to take a level for that, we would say right there, this is going to break. I want to see these highs here tested as support. I want to see it go quick. I want to see it recover quick. I want to see this fly up. I do not want to see this thing start getting back down to any of this region. Sure, you could test the golden pocket as support and then go, but we already tested it as support. We don't need to come back down. We don't need to be messing around in this area. And with all the hype around Nvidia right now, the AI stocks going crazy, I am getting a little worried that a top could be coming in potentially here. So let's all cautiously watch this. Make sure if we do dip below these lows, which would be fine at this point, we kind of need to, that it is just a quick sweep of liquidity. We can resume and then go. If we were to hold down in this region for more than a couple daily closes, be watching out because that is not bullish. So yeah, that's really going to be all for this video. I didn't really know what I was going to make today, so I thought taking on this challenge would be pretty interesting just because I did see those coins leaving Wyckoff accumulation. I thought, well man, I need to get in some of these Wyckoff plays. So we're going to be rotating around, trying to find them, starting off the Polkadot. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Yeah, so we'll be tracking it over the next 30 days, the 10K to 100K challenge. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's going to be all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.